I think Minneapolis and St. Paul has avoided almost every single big rain event. And I have everyone online is like, they're just full blown like, I have a force field around me, it evaporates every time.
Yeah, there's like a cone over them.
It's called dumb luck. I try to tell people, weather is like gambling, right? If I tell you there's a 70% chance of rain, everybody expects it to be them, right?
Yeah.
Well, 30% of people will be disappointed, right? So you're all, and now
We needed the rain.
what's happened is we've had 70%, 70%, 70%, and then there's the folks in East Minneapolis, Northeast Minneapolis that have just been the ones who didn't get any.
Yeah.
Somebody's got to be that person. I'm sorry. Maybe it is a force field. I'm not sure. 89 degrees for the almanac today. Yes, we've had high rain chances. Some of us have been crazy unlucky. Not the West Metro. I mean, Glencoe, ask Glencoe. I mean, they get poured on every day. We've been very hot. We've been very humid. It'd be nice to get some rain here. I mean, temperatures have been very warm. We continue to stay unstable. Listen, we're going to get rain this week. I think we'll all get rain this week. The problem is you probably don't want the ones on Tuesday and Wednesday, because the ones Tuesday, Wednesday, those look nasty. Temperatures out here, we did cool down. It rained. Everybody got rain. It was just so little across the metro. And I am feeling bad for some folks who are really wanting it. In fact, the airport is one of those places. We picked up 1/100th of an inch this month, when you can look out in areas in even the West Metro where I live down in Waconia, we've had over 2 inches this month. So it just depends on where you're at. Off and on rain is going to continue overnight. It's going to be pockets, very small pockets of rain. Heat and humidity continues, and then the severe weather ramps up. Tuesday night, so that'd be Wednesday morning, and then another chance Wednesday night. So kind of a double dip on that Wednesday, but really Tuesday overnight. Look at the rain today. 4.5 inches of rain fell today in Owatonna. They had a flash flood warning. Mankato, Glencoe, 1 to 2 inches there. I mean, it's right there, and it's just skimming past the metro. Here's what it looks like right now. Well, we do have some showers and thunderstorms across the metro that's just pretty weak, but we'll continue to see this out there tonight. A little bit of rain. Everybody's getting it. You can see Blaine and Elk River, maybe 1/10 of an inch out of that one. I'm just not seeing anything that's huge in area. So there's just these little blips of downpours that are going to be working through the zones here tonight. A little bit of rain continuing up towards Alexandria. What are my eyes on for tomorrow morning? It's this. Well, it's actually a derecho. We don't use that term lightly. This is a significant area of thunderstorms that dropped a 90-mile-per-hour wind. Now, we're not going to get that, but this area of storms is starting to move on 94. So now the question is, all right, we play this terrible game in the summertime. How far do the storms go? Models do a horrible job when they cross state lines like this overnight. So this model earlier in the day had no rain from that derecho moving in, none, zero. But now all of a sudden it's playing catch up, and watch. Yep, here it comes. So how far will it go? Well, I expect Alexandria, Moorhead, and Bemidji to be the best chance to get some of this. There could be some heavy rain, 6, 7, 8 in the morning. We'll keep an eye on it. It's, of course, likely to weaken in the Twin Cities. The timing has not been best for us, and that's because it'll be late morning. Now, I still think we'll see some showers and thunderstorms, probably exiting around 3 o'clock. Best chance, like I said, northwest Minnesota. Tomorrow, still going to be hot, still going to be humid, on and off rain. I want you to keep an eye on Tuesday night after 9 p.m. Storms will develop in North Dakota, race down to the Twin Cities, and then Wednesday, the threat is going to be more Twin Cities to Menominee, and this is going to be more Wednesday evening. So these are both fairly high threats for severe weather, so we're going to focus. The Monday morning is mainly towards Alexandria for that derecho. It's not going to be a derecho for us, but leftover storms. So wake up in the morning, Alexandria, Brainerd, Bemidji. There could be storms up there. Then Wednesday, we're going to have some strong storms, potentially overnight, early Wednesday, and then again Wednesday evening. So that's going to be one of our higher threats of the entire year, so we'll have to be focused on that. Listen, we need some rain. We're probably going to get it in the form of severe weather, unfortunately, but we'll cool down into this weekend.